This video is brought to you by Binson's Medical Equipment and Supplies, your one-stop solution for all your home medical needs. In this video, we will be going over the basic usage for your Drive semi-electric hospital bed. Your bed has a few easy-to-use features. The head and knee of the bed can be raised and lowered with the hand control. The hand crank can raise and lower the height of the entire bed. This is what your bed should look like after it has been set up. Once you have the bed placed where you want it in your home, be sure to push down and lock the casters to ensure the bed will not slide. One thing to point out here, at the top and bottom of the bed, the mattress is between the mattress retainer. This will ensure when using the bed, the mattress will not slide. The bed comes with a hand control that will illuminate when the bed is plugged into a grounded or polarized wall outlet, or with a 9-volt battery installed in the hand control. The hand control will illuminate as long as the wall or battery has power. With this battery installed, the motor can be operated to return the sleep surface to the horizontal position in the event of a power failure. The hand pendant has a series of buttons. The top two buttons move the head up or down. The middle two buttons move the knee of the bed up or down. Finally, the bottom two buttons will move the head and knee of the bed upward simultaneously or lower them simultaneously. Next, at the foot of the bed, you will see the crank housing. Here, you can insert the crank into the receptacle to raise and lower the entire bed. Turn clockwise to raise the height of the bed, counterclockwise to lower the height of the bed. Reattach the crank to the bracket on the bottom of the footboard when not in use. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found the information useful. For more information, check us out online at www.binsons.com.